Hi, this is John. Welcome to my web app. Okay, I'm just going to show you how this works. So here we have the Virtual Global College home screen. It's just basically information for students, teachers, and buying and selling. So if we click on About, we can see staff profiles. Here we have two members of staff, John Rowley and Mark Fitzpatrick, as well as student body statistics. Now we go to the Students tab. Okay, now here we have a list of students registered in Global College. So if you go to details, we can see their student number, name, enrollment date, what modules they're registered for, and then we have their date of birth, their fees owed, their phone number, and their email. So we can go back to list and we can see here. So for my own page, I can see all my enrollments, my date of birth, fees owed, phone number, email. Let's go back again. Now students can also see the college rules. So here we have the rules of the university. It's 10 rules at the moment. You can deregister, that'll delete yourself. And you can update info. You can just change your name, which isn't particularly useful. Now we have the courses. So here we have all the courses on offer in Virtual Global College. At the moment we have 11, ranging from web apps to Java to computer systems. So in an optimal web app, students would have their own kind of user role page, and they'd be able to register here. So you could see details now. You can see the teacher name, when the teacher was hired, and how many credits. Go back to this, and if you want to register for web apps, you register for the course. Now you select web apps out of the list here, your last name. So we'll just say an ad, and then they be registered. Web apps in it. So if you go back to students, go to student details, we'll see Arturo Arnad is registered for web apps, but he's unfortunately registered already. So we can just go back. Um, so let's try registering. Just register for the adventure novel module. Go back to students, details, and we'll see now that Arturo is registered for the adventure novel. We could apply a grade. We can do that a couple of ways. We can either go to add student info, which hopefully should be admin area. Actually, we can't do it from here. We have to go to enrollments in the SQL Server and do it that way. Anyway, move on. So here we go to teachers. Now here we can see a list of instructors. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 instructors, and they're based on the current staff of Northeast College. So if you select John Rowley, we can see he's teaching 2 courses, web apps and event-driven programming. And if we select web apps, we can see the students enrolled in the selected course. So we have me, the best score, of course. And we have Arturo in here twice, so we'll have to delete him from the SQL server. And if we look at event-driven program, you can see that there's 3 students, me, Emer, and Li Yang. The next section is the buying and sell books feature. At the moment we have 4 books. Of course, this would be better with a role area where each student will have their own particular account where they can buy and sell their own books. So if you wanted to add a new book here, just go to used, price $3.99. As you can see, it's been added to our book database. So if you wanted to buy this book, you click here and you get a purchase message. An improvement in this would be to use your student ID to get your email address, and then it will say details will be sent to your email address at your particular email address. So again, it's usable CRUD. If you wanted to edit, delete, update, whatever you want. Now here we go to add student. This is admin area. Here we can see student details, date of birth, fees owed, phone number, email. So we can add it. Admin can add a new student. So we'll just say, actually, first we got to go to students, add a new entry. So we put in Jack Murphy. Whoops. 1986. Jack Murphy's added to our students list. So we go to add student info, create new. Now we just get Murphy. We leave his date of birth as is, and now admin can put fees owed. He owes 896. The phone number is email jackmurphy@hotmail.com. Whoops, they want my date of birth again, even though I thought I put it in. Okay. Now we can see Jack's details are updated here. So if you go to students, Jack Murphy details, we can see his details here. Okay, so back to the list. We can also log in. This is a work in progress. So I log in. I've designated myself as administrator. So here we say we're an authenticated admin. We can just go to admin private area, and this proves that I have an admin status. So if I log off and go to admin private, you can see that I have to log in to see this page. Okay, and that concludes my little demo of Virtual Global College. I'll have to get rid of these things. So yeah, thanks for looking. Goodbye.